Assalamu alaikum. This is Shaya in front of you. I hope everyone doing it. Also, I'm doing fantastic by the mercy of Allah. Right now, as you can see, I'm this place which is really full of natural beauty and which is really admirable place. And today is Friday, so that is why we don't have any kind of work. So that is why Rian said to me that, brother, where are you now? Please come to me and meet with me, and we can go somewhere because today we don't have any kind of work. So that is why actually we are here right now. As you can see, this place is full of natural beauty, and there are lots of tea here. And I think, brother, whenever you feel like disappointed or embarrassment, I think you should come here to take some refreshment. I think refreshment need for human being. So brother, if you need any kind of refreshment, just come and just take this kind of refreshment. After taking this refreshment, your mind will be totally free from the disease or anything. So right now, as you can see, also with me Rion. So I love to ask some question. Okay, Rion, কেমন লাগতেছে তোমার আজকে এখানে আসার পরে?
This place is an unbelievable place. এখানে আসার পরে খুব ভালো লাগতেছে এবং মাইন্ডটা খুব ফ্রেশ লাগতেছে। আমরা ফ্রাইডেতে এখানে আসি আর জায়গাটা খুবই সুন্দর। রাতুল ইজ এ আউটস্ট্যান্ডিং স্পিকার and
চাইলে
ফাউন্ডার অফ এই
ফ্রেশ স্পোকেন ইংলিশ। আপনারা চাইলে এখানে আসতে পারেন। আজকে আমি আর আমার বন্ধু আসছি, কারণ হচ্ছে জায়গাটা আসলে খুবই সুন্দর এবং এটার লোকেশনটা হচ্ছে বাবুরহাট কলেজ মাঠের পিছনে। এটাকে বলা হচ্ছে যে উই ক্যান কল ইট Haunkar Mandwari. Actually, it's really popular for the Baburat people, especially who love to take picture. They can come here and they can take some picture from this place. You can see this place. There are lots of natural beauty and there are lots of tea. So I think if you take any kind of picture from here, your picture will be more beautiful. So just if you also, on the other hand, if you want to learn English, just stay with Fresh Spoken English. I think within a short time you will learn English. Okay, thank you for listening me patiently.